My very favorite part of the painting process is the application of color. It's just the whipped cream on top of everything. When I first started painting, I was drawn to other artists who use vivid colors, but they seldom explain their thought process as they bumped up colors. How were they making those color choices? In this course, we'll start with the still life photo. I'll show you how I incorporated a vibrant color right from the drawing stage. As I paint each item, we'll look at ways you can bump up colors to bring more life into your paintings. I'll share my thought process with you as I take a dull pot and turn it into something vibrant. We'll discuss various options for creating colorful shadows. We'll look at ways to make even brown and neutral items more colorful. There'll be lots of tips and tricks that you can carry into landscapes, florals, animals, still lifes. While I'll be painting in acrylics, most of these color techniques would apply to oil painting as well. This 4-hour course has been broken down into bite-sized instruction and can be watched over and over. I hope you'll try this course. It was so much fun, and I think you'll end up with a number of new skills to bring vibrant color and life into your paintings. I also invite you to check out my shorter tutorials on my website.